Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by powering down and disabling fast startup so Windows won't block firmware changes. Once done, connect an external keyboard if needed. It's more reliable during boot. Reboot and press ESC or F10 repeatedly as the HP splash appears to reach the startup menu, then choose BIOS setup. This step puts you inside the firmware where secure boot lives. Make sure you identify the Security or System Configuration tab. That's where the Secure Boot option will be located. You now navigate BIOS menus carefully. Go to Security or System Configuration and locate Secure Boot. Observe the current mode, standard or custom, and whether platform keys are enrolled. Noting this helps restore settings later. If BIOS blocks changes, set or enable an administrator or supervisor password first. Make sure you remember it. Then select Secure Boot and change its state to disabled. Save changes to exit or use the dedicated Save and Exit command. After disabling Secure Boot, save and exit the BIOS so the change takes effect. Your desktop will reboot. Once back in Windows, open System Information, msinfo32, and check Secure Boot state. Make sure it reads off. If you plan to install alternative OS or unsigned drivers, proceed now. If the machine won't boot or shows a boot device error, go back into BIOS, either re-enable Secure Boot or reset platform keys to defaults. That one troubleshooting step often restores normal boot behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.